You're going to love this new update. It's an enhanced service calendar customization option. This latest update empowers you with enhanced control over service calendars, allowing for custom service intervals, extended durations up to 12 hours, and the option to toggle staff selection on or off in the booking widget, which is going to streamline your appointment scheduling. As far as benefits go, this is going to allow for flexible scheduling. Now you can set custom service intervals and durations tailored to your unique business needs. You can also improve booking experience. This is going to enhance user experience by allowing and disallowing staff selection on the booking widget. It's also going to increase efficiency. Now you can maximize your availability and optimize scheduling by customizing interval and duration settings. As far as practical use goes, now just imagine yourself that maybe you're running a wellness center, offering various services from massages to facials. Now, with this enhanced service calendar customization, you can easily adjust service durations, such as maybe a day long spa package, and you can even toggle on and off the staff selection based on your booking preferences, ensuring a seamless scheduling experience for you and your customers. So let me show you where this is located. First, you're going to access settings in the lower left-hand navigation. From there, you're going to be in that settings navigation and you're going to click on service calendars. Specifically, you're going to click on calendars and then you're going to go into those service calendars. Once you're in your specific chosen service calendar, you're going to click edit on the one that you'd like to edit. Now let's go ahead and configure those settings. You're going to go under availability and then you're going to set the service interval and the service duration. From there, you're going to go into the customizations area and now you can toggle on or off that staff selection option. Take charge of your appointment scheduling within the CRM's enhanced service calendar features, tailored to meet your business's unique needs and improve that operational efficiency. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.